It is 1:34 and I got done with work early, so I'm gonna come back down to the river and try and catch me a smallmouth today. It is less hot, so I should be able to take the weather a little better. It was hot yesterday. I'm gonna start off with a tube jig with a 1/8 ounce tube jig. Well, I'm gonna start out with a tube here, impulse tube, and I got 1/8 ounce jigs, and I also have a jig just like this one, but purple, tied on my bait caster. So I'll be casting that purple jig and a tube jig for the start of the day. I'm gonna catch a smallie today. I really want to catch a smallmouth. Well, I just missed a smallmouth. Man, I saw the smallmouth, and the reason why I missed it was because I ran into that tree right there with the boat. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that tree, but I ran into the tree with the boat. I drifted into it while I was fighting the fish. I didn't get the camera on in time. I know I missed a fish though, because I saw it, and it was a smallmouth bass. It was a little guy. I saw a doe about 5 feet away from me. It was really close. It was drinking water. It never even ran away. That was really cool. I wanted to get it on camera, but the GoPro doesn't have zoom. My first drift is all done now. I am going to go upriver now. First fish of the day is a little northern pike. It's about time I get my first fish. There you go. First fish of the day, little northern pike. There it goes. This feels like a nice fish. Not sure what it is yet. Feels nice. Come on. What is it? What is it? Ooh. Oh, it's a sheephead. Great. Big old sheephead. That's just wonderful. I guess a fish is a fish, but come on, man. I want something better than a sheephead. It's a nice sheephead. I mean, it's fat. On a tube jig. I got a sheephead on a tube jig. Freshwater drum, sheephead, tube jig. Really? Come on, man. I want to catch something worth it. I want to catch a smallmouth. I haven't even caught a smallmouth this year. This entire year I haven't caught a smallmouth. Well, the sheephead's got a big body on him. I'm proud of him because I haven't caught anything else today. Great. I guess. There's my second fish. It's something. Got my third fish on right now. I'm not sure what this is. It kind of seemed like a carp. That's my first guess. I'm not sure. Well, northern. It is a northern pike. Stay on, buddy, stay on. That's a pretty nice northern too. Wow, that's a nice northern. It's not small. It's as big as yesterday's. Get this bad boy in the net. Come on. No, don't go on a run, don't go on a run. Oh, there he goes. Tried to tail net him. That didn't work. He knew it. Oh no. This ain't a bad northern. This ain't a bad northern at all. It's probably legal, but I'm not gonna keep them. It is probably, I'm just gonna cut the line. It's fine. It's fine, northern. Buddy, it's fine. It's a nice northern. Nice fish. Get the release on him. He's gonna wanna go real soon. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have put him on his belly like that. Come on. There he goes. That was a feisty one. Look at that. How wonderful is that? He flinged my tackle box. Great. Now there's just lures laying everywhere in my boat. Awesome. Nice fish though. I can accept that. That was a nice northern. I brought the net today too. Figured I need that. Don't want to do what I did yesterday ever again. This is a nice northern again. It's a little northern. I'm gonna use the net anyways because I feel like it. Oh, he's on a run. It's probably 14 inches. It's one of them quick, speedy ones. Oh yeah, you go. There he is. Oh, buddy, come on. Oh, you want to go? Okay. Okay. I'm just going to reel in a little bit more line, get him closer. Oh, well, great. Reeled in line. There he goes. Come on, buddy. Oh, man. Ooh. He's a tough guy. He wants to be tough. There. Okay. Don't want to break the line. This time, I got this fish on a crawfish. This is a... I can show you in a second what it is. This northern pike has some kind of disease. I touched it. It has like, see all the black dots? I don't know if you can see them, but it has like a disease. I'm just gonna let it go with the net. I don't know why, but I don't really want to touch it. Come on, go, buddy. Go. There he goes. Come on, swim away. Okay, now he finally swam away. I am all done fishing for today, and so the first half of fishing for today was unsuccessful, and I was getting frustrated because I was losing lures, not catching any fish. it turned around quick when I caught that one small northern. And once I caught that small northern, the fish just started biting. I don't know why, but they did. I had 2 bites of bigger northern. I caught that one big northern, and I caught that sheephead. We don't want to talk about the sheephead though. And it is 5:02, so I fished for, I don't know, it was like 1:34, so that's 3.5 hours. All right, so I over exaggerated with the whole 3 hours thing. But anyways, thanks for watching me river fish today in the summertime.